up? I'm here with Bilal. Bilal is all the way from Montreal, right?
Yeah.
And just the power of networking and social media. I sit in my seat here at 10X GrowthCon, and Bilal says, "Hey, KhaazRa," and he shows me this podcast, and it's my rinky-dinky podcast where I'm walking and talking under bridges in the dark, and he tells me the stories that I gave. So it gives me more encouragement and motivation to continue, because everyone has a story, everyone has a message. But the great thing about Bilal, he's not shy, right? And I always heard this saying: you can't get fed with your mouth closed, right? So now we've made a connection because it's face to face, which is a strong connection, better than social media, in my opinion. And we'll probably stay connected for a long time, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, man. So don't be afraid to communicate, right? You never know.
Yeah, thank you.